Hello everybody, I'm Eddie and this is Eddie's Garage. I'm back. Well, this past weekend I had a sinus infection and went to the doctor yesterday to get some antibiotics and some steroids, and I'm feeling way much better. So today I'm gonna start back on the frame. I'm gonna cut out the rust spot and weld in new pieces. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Aloha. Okay, I cut out this piece right here. I'm gonna make it a 4-piece. The sides, top, and 2 tops, because the frame is not flat. One overlaps the other side because it's a 2-piece frame. So I'm gonna do that. Starting right now. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, I did the outside patch. Came out pretty damn good. I ain't no professional, but we do what we can. So tomorrow I'll do the other side, and I'm gonna weld everything in with my good welder. And we'll see you in a little bit. Well, maybe tomorrow. Aloha, guys.